Hi guys, it's Masika, Kalysha, and if you've been following me on my healthy hair journey, then you know I did two really big chops. One in 2018 and then another one 6 months later in 2019. And since then, I have been regrowing my hair using just my hair oils, guys. And check out the new packaging. How cute is this? Khari's updated picture for the baby formula. And for the adult formula, we have infused both formulas with fresh vanilla bean. It infuses, guys, for a century before we give it to you so that it smells like vanilla and you get the benefits of the vanilla. With that being said, I want to show you guys all of this new growth. Get into it. And if you guys are aware, I don't put heat on my hair anymore. So I've been looking for alternatives and different things I can do to wear my hair in different styles other than just naturally curly. And guys, I found it! Hallelujah! These little rollers that look like turtle shells, they snap open and close. And they come in two sizes, large and small. And guys, this is your best solution for heatless, beautiful curls that don't damage your hair. And they're not those big bulky rollers that like feel like you have bricks on your head. You can actually sleep in these. They lie flat and they're so soft and squishy. Silicone. So it's so simple to use. You open it up, you wrap your hair around it, and you snap it. Snappy curls.